Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining. My name is Jenna Burley, and I'm a Senior Customer Success Coach here at Bright MLS. And today I'm going to show you how to quickly send listings to your clients using the Refine option. In addition to that, and using the Refine option, you're able to add notes to those listings right away. So let's get started. I'm just going to head over to my search drop-down menu and choose residential sale. Of course, this applies to any search that you've created. And for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to choose one of my most recent searches. Now I can come down here to my bottom Actions tab, click on Refine, choose my contact, and then choose any listing that I think my client would be interested in. Please note here that this is an indication that I've already sent this listing to my client. Now I've decided that I want to send a couple more. I can also go ahead and add a note about this property. So I can just click here, add a note. And then click on Add Note. And when I'm satisfied, of course, I can just come back down here to my Actions tab, email these directly to my client. And again, this will include the notes with the listings in their portal. Or if I wanted to, I can also print these out before a meeting with my client. So if I click print, just be sure that the print note option is highlighted here. And then you can just print to PDF, email to PDF, or preview. Hope this trick was helpful. Again, just a quick, easy way to send clients a listing and add those notes at the same time by using the Refine tool. Come down, choose your client, choose the listing, and send it off. Thanks for joining, everyone. Have a great day.